Okay, Ian Wallace Harper here, and it's Chatbot Ninja, and it's more training time, and it's back to my series of videos on getting your blog article to podcast. So this is video number 2, where I'm going to show you how to put your blog article that we created in ChatGPT into your blog. Now, I'm using BizStackPro. Yes, I am a founding member of BizStackPro, and I'm going to be using that one. But you can use any blog that you want. If you've already got a blog, use that one and just put it into your blog. I'm going to show you how to use a BizStackPro blog and how to put that into a blog page. So I'm going to go share my screen. We're going to go here and then go here. Yeah, this is where I actually got my GPT from for creating the blog. So this is a blog post GPT. As I say, it is a resource that the CEO has given to us to use. Some of the team resources are here, and she's also given us some premium bonuses. I'm not going to go into the premium bonuses today because this is what I want to show you. And we're going to go to here. We're going to go to sites. Go to sites, and we can create funnels, websites, stores, webinars, analytics. We got analytics. We can create blogs. You could even create a WordPress in here, client portal. But I'm not going to go over any of these. I want to concentrate on the blog. So we're going to go into the blogs here, and then we're going to add a blog. Well, I'm not going to add a blog, but I can show I've got 3 blogs here that I've already got in the thing. And I'm going to go into one of my blogs that I've got. But if you want to create a blog, you can go in and create a blog. We're going to have a look at that. Create a blog. You got your title, domain slug, type. I'll show you that on another of my main trainings. We're going to go back because I've already created the blog. I'm just adding a blog post. So I'm going to go into this one with test my test that I was testing with Judy, one of my friends. And let's have a look at this one. We're going to go here. See if there's any any posts in here. Yes, there is. We actually did this one the other day. This was created exactly the same way. And I'm going to add another blog post. So blog edit, we're going to go to blog post. Now here we've got our title. We're going to call what we're going to call it. We're going to actually call it the same title as in our blog post. So we're going to have to go here, and we're going to have a look at our blog post, and it's this one. So we're going to grab the actual title. Yeah. And it's giving us a meta description as well. So we can actually go in here and so copy this into here. And we can say we want the oh, I forgot. We need to go to Canva. We're going to need to go to Canva, and we're needed to go to Home. And we're going to go back to Projects. And we're going to have a look for the blog post images, 900 by. These are the ones that I use. So we're going to go into this one, and we're going to go here. And we're going to add a new one. These are the posts I've done already. I'm going to add another one, and we're going to go grab the blog post that we did for the go back here, refresh it, and we're going to go to the one that we have home office set up. This is the one we and I'm going to right click on here, and I'm going to copy the image, and I'm going to go back to Canva, and as I say, we're going to add a copy, and then we're going to go add the image, and then I'm going to set as background. Set as background. And now we've got the size of the post, size of the image that I'm using in my blogs. And then we're going to go and we're going to share it and download it. And we're going to go download. The only one is that last one, which is this one, and done. Download. We're going to put it into the I'm making podcast bits and blog post image. I'm going to add it to there. So now we've got the blog post image. We can go back to BizStackPro, and we can change the image here. Only upload, and then we're going to upload it to the BizStackPro image medium library. I'm going to blog post images. Click on that and upload the file. And it's going to be in podcast bits, and it's this one. Open up the podcast bit, and the blog post image is going to be there. We're going to double click on there, and it's going to add it to the thing. Well, you've got to add a I'm just going to put BizStackPro. BizStackPro. Yeah. Let's make it capital. Do it properly. BizStackPro. There we go. And post description. This is the SEO meta descriptions, which we can now go back to the blog post. Go back to the blog post, and we're going to go grab the meta description. We're going to grab that one here, and we're going to put it in here. Yeah. And then we're going to create the post. Now, we've created the post, and it's going to give us a blank canvas. So what we do now is we go back to our blog post here, and we are going to grab all this. So what we do is we'll copy it. At the bottom here, go to there, copy, and go back here, and we're going to paste it. And it'll bring in the link and everything that we've got in here. And this we can delete at the bottom. And we've got our blog post added at the top. Yeah. And we're going to delete all this up until here. And we've now got our blog post written for us. If you want to make it a little bit more, we can change it, change all the whatever you want. You can have it so you can give it all. You can tart it up however you want. If you want it any bigger, you just say right, okay, and we'll go for next pixel. We'll go to maybe make it 18 pixels. Yeah. And you can change it however you want. I'm going to go back for that one. I want to leave. I'm going to leave it as it is because it will show up on the what's name. So now we've got that. We've got our blog post added. Got our link in, and we've also got our image. So now we're going to save it, and we're actually going to have a look at it. Yeah. Well, no, we're not. We're going to have we're going to be able to look at it in a moment when we've continue. It's finished. Let's go into the what's the name? Kind of all the little links. We're going to choose a category. I'm going to choose add a new category, and we're going to call it affiliate marketing. Okay. We will have to add a slug. Categories, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. I think we can affiliate, and I think we can put a marketing block. Yeah, an SEO category label is affiliate marketing. SEO text. Create the category. Select it, and we go to affiliate marketing. We can add some keywords. We can ask GPT to create the keywords. So let's do that. This one. So we say create some keywords for this, for the article to use in a blog. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Let's just copy a couple of these. And we'll go back to BizStackPro. I'm not sure, but I think we have to copy one by one. So Command V. Let's see. No, it's not going to let us do that. So let's just add one. Affiliate marketing for beginners. Add that one. Go back to blog post, and we're going to copy that one. And we're going to add that one as well. And you see how we do that. So I'm just adding two. The author, I'm going to select me. You can add a new author, and then we're just going to publish. And we can either publish it date today, or we can schedule it for another. So publish. So now we got our on our blog, and we can say, right, let's have a look at the let's have a look at it. And this is our blog post. So we got the image, and we've got the and that is our blog post put on to our blog in BizStackPro. We do have training on inside of BizStackPro on how to create a blog, but I will do another video on adding a blog to a website at a later stage. This is just to show you what we can do to get our blog post. And the next video is going to be how to use 11 Labs to create a podcast about this blog post. We're gonna be discussing the blog post basically, and it's going to be done using AI. So I'm going to stop sharing. That's my blog post created. So what did we do? We we used the blog post that we created in video one, which is on how to create a video with ChatGPT. How to create a blog post with using ChatGPT. We use that blog post in a blog post in BizStackPro. So now let's create, in the next video, create a podcast or a soundbite or whatever you want to call it, using 11 Labs. This is going to be crazy. So let's have a look at that in the next video. Before I go though, I would like to see you subscribe and hit the subscribe button and the bell to let you know when more of my videos are coming out. Here is Chatbot Ninja Ian Wallace Harper signing off until the next time. Thank you very much and goodbye.